Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Forever Beautiful. My name is Kritika Singh and today's video is about creating Rakshabandhan makeup look. So without any further delay, let's get started. Firstly, I'm quickly applying the NYX Pore Filler Primer. This creamy primer helps to minimize the appearance of enlarged pores and prepping your complexion for a smooth makeup application. Now I'm filling my eyebrows to provide the proper shape. I'm inundating my face with the Maybelline Fit Me foundation. I'm applying this product with the help of a beauty blender. I like this product because it blends so beautifully and leaves a natural, seamless finish. To set my foundation, I'm applying Makeup Revolution loose powder. After applying loose powder, I'm using Makeup Revolution eyeshadow palette for my eyes. Taking this shade for my crease area and applying this shade back and forth until it melts into my skin and looks very soft and fluffy. I'm taking this darker brown shade to define my eyes and applying it on my outer corner. It's time to half cut crease and I'm using Makeup Revolution concealer for it. helps to make my shimmer eyeshadow pop up. For eyeliner, I am using NYX black pen. Here I am using Nykaa kajal. I feel that Indian makeup is incomplete without applying kajal, and I am smudging my kajal with the help of a thin brush. Now I am using concealer underneath my eyes, forehead and nose. Then I am contouring my forehead, nose and those areas of face where it's needed. Applying blush on my cheeks in order to add warmth to them. Highlighter is my favorite part of makeup, so I'm quickly highlighting my face and it makes the finished product look warmer and more natural. For lashes, I am using Maybelline mascara. Lastly, I am concluding my makeup using a creamy matte lipstick. So this is my complete makeup look, and I hope you like this Rakshabandhan makeup look. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel Forever Beautiful. Bye bye.